a trail in the forest, and there's actually, and we hope we actually don't get lost. So my sister's gonna be videotaping. Check out her video. So we walking our dog too, in the trail in the forest. But
you gotta be careful too.
Yeah. Oh, oops.
Damn.
We gotta be careful.
If you are y'all through with your food?
Yep, I finished.
Any garbage y'all got? Throw it out. You eat all.
I want to eat my apples.
Oh, you can say your apples. You eat all your food, Vanna.
Okay, actually, I need to go, Vanna. Let me get out. Let me go out. Let me put Max's leash on. So, like I said, Max coming. So, he got his harness. Max got his harness. He got Max harness. He also got his harness better than him. I'm gonna eat all my pies. Okay, I think we ready to get out.
What'd you say? Well, you can eat the burger later.
I ate all my pies. Oh, hey guys, I was on the end of the discussion. Okay, we're going to the nature trail today with Max.
What else you got left, Vanna?
And Dad. Come on.
Vanna, what you got left?
And Kelly.
Hold on for a minute.
So guys, like I said, we're going on the trip.
Stop,
my fries and my burger. Hey guys, I'm back. Oh, hey guys, we were just gonna back, and we're about to go in this trail. We came here last time, but we didn't go that deep because I think it was me who said I want to go. He didn't. Mom came. Didn't want to get lost, but we're on the nature trail. I'm a little scared. This forest is huge. But we've been here before, but we haven't. It was only like one time. It's because like this park wasn't open, but it's now open.
Can y'all get the garbage, please, and throw your trash away? Thank you.
Yeah. So we're about to get the garbage. Ow. So I think we should go probably. Run my feet over. Run my feet under the car. Yeah, keep going. I want that to happen to my feet. So the trash can is, and they can bring dogs. All says it over there. Yep. As you see, we're gonna go up. You guys can't see it. I'm gonna go up and give you a closer look. Max just chilling. He's like, I'm just chilling. I don't know what we're doing here. Outside. And yeah. Max wanna go now. Come on, Maxie.
Come on, Max.
I need his leash. Okay. Hey. Oh, thanks. So we got my dog. He don't know where he's going. Hey, boy, hey, over here. Follow Savannah. Wait. Pause. So like I see the sign right there. It said all plus must be on their little tiny bag. Oh, geez, don't touch that. It's like Max feeling a dumpster. Bruh. He always do that. He must try to do that. Come on, Maxie. Bruh. My bags, that's just, he's smelling it like it's good. Max, what are you doing? Come on.
Up your, after your pet waste. This is a bag. You tear this bag off, man.
They got bags?
Yeah.
Out to clean up after your pet.
Yeah, so your pet makes poop, exactly. And that's a bag.
Did you say poop pouch? Does it?
I am.
Gonna move. Dang, look at that big one. Okay, Max is coming. Max is. Okay, it says poopy pouch. It's funny. Bruh. Poopy pouch. Then you might want to show yourself again. So my dad is not coming in the woods. So obviously.
How about y'all put Max inside?
Obviously we gotta wait. Last time he was here all alone. I think it might have been people here, but I don't know. Why did you do that?
Alright, now you got when you walking on you got to walk and you gotta hold it. Hey, how y'all doing?
Max! Tell him to put his head back up. Okay, come on, boy. Okay. So we're walking in the trail. Oh yeah, that's the map. That's the map. So as last time. I don't know how the map is gonna be helpful because all it is like cardboard paint. Right, and no one really gets that. Max is on his tree.
Yeah,
I know when I'm. Hey, come on. When I'm probably not even. Max gotta listen to me. His feet gonna be dirty.
Don't drag y'all feet, kick up dirt.
Yeah. Oh yeah, now you know. Come on. So which way we going? So I don't really know. So we gotta stay on the trail as we going straight.
Come on, Max.
Hello.
Max, what are you sniffing? Are you sniffing the tree bark?
Come on.
Come on, Max. Hi, cuties.
Maxie. Max is, for some reason, he got it. Lift your other foot up.
Uh-oh.
His other foot on there. Max's other foot on there, look. Max. Okay, so we're gonna go this way this time.
You gotta have a leash like this, Katie.
Oh, I think I have a diddy.
Can't have it all the way. You
know.
gotta have it like this. So.
I want to carry.
You
I
can
want to do
control.
I kind of want to go that way.
Yeah, you gotta control.
Okay,
man.
so which way did we went? We went that way last time, right?
I think so.
So I think we should go straight.
Come on.
I hope we.
Wrap it up. Like I told you, you gotta wrap it up.
Oh.
You gotta control. Yeah, like that.
Come on, boy.
So you keep
Over
leash
here.
short.
Okay, so because
Come on, Max.
obviously, I guess we're gonna keep walking straight because this is not a path. So what? Stay on the path.
Some poop on a tree, guys.
Must have been a separate animal.
Tell me if you saw it in the comments below.
But I don't know. Is that
Max, are you seeing if anybody? Okay.
Y'all seen all of that silver stuff? It's everywhere.
Come on, Max.
It's still everywhere.
You don't even have to pee. Come on, Max.
But look, that skinny tree. That tree can fall in no time.
Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, so which way we gonna go, guys? Subscribe in the comments right now. Should we go this way, or that way? So which way we going? So we actually going this way.
You know we pull the leash and it's gonna.
Whoa, which way? That way or that way? Y'all probably can't see because of that. So.
Max, stop it. Stop. Come on, Max. Let's go straight.
Here, I can walk him.
Good boy.
I kind of want to walk him.
Stay.
They don't let me walk him.
Straight. Come on. Stay over here.
So we off.
Stay on the track.
Okay, give me.
Stay on the track.
Okay.
We haven't went. We went like a other path far, but we didn't go
Look at all of these
deep.
guys.
Right, look at all these
never-
skinny
I
bro.
don't
You can break that easy one snap.
Oh, it's gross.
Speak
Dad. Look.
that can have rabies. My sister probably don't. My sister know about rabies, but she don't know that it can have rabies. That it can have rabies. All animals, I mean, some animals have rabies once in a lifetime. From getting bit by a wild animal being in the wild. Most wild animals have rabies.
Wish I could fly.
Come on, boy. Huge.
Come on.
For some reason, he's stopping
You need to
at
wrap
different
it up
trees.
more.
I think he likes smelling something. No, I don't.
Why is he smelling all these trees?
I don't know. It's like he's smelling a scent that he want to keep going on. Next, you be addicted to over there.
Oh, I can see the sunlight. Oh, was this the part where you said ghost thingy? Ghost boys?
No, it was down there. We was like walking that way. So Max having a trail, obviously. Max obviously want to go somewhere.
Why don't we let Max pick the trail?
Come on, we gotta keep going. This is a Max. That's not a trail. Boy, why you keep sniffing branches? Bruh. Come on. You don't even have to use the bathroom. Come on. Max. Come on, boy. Dog, you keep struggling with this dog. That's like 100. Run, boy, run. Run. Sit down and run. Run. Well, he don't really want to run. My dog's just like, I'm just going to walk, you know. Cool. So we actually keep walking straight on the trail. Okay, well, we're going this way. Around this side of the trail.
Tell me which way you can take.
I hope. I kind of think we gonna get lost. Oh, how we don't get lost. Please don't tell me we gonna Okay, so we walking straight still. Max is walking on me. I have Max, the dog. The Max. Like in the Secret Life of Max. But we had Max before we even seen the movie. So we had Max for a long time. Max was a baby. And I don't remember how he looked as a baby. But I know he was tiny, small, and probably heavy. 5 pounds or 6 or something like that. But right now, I think he's 100, maybe 20. But Max is a lot of pounds, but he's not that heavy.